Alrighty, I am finally taking all my pots and I am redistributing the dirt, and I'm taking 2 pots at a time, mixing them up so I can replant my basil and cilantro. Oh, I've got bare feet, so I feel like that's good. I'm just like, I want to be barefoot more now. I don't know. I actually probably should just go like walking around in the ground. I've heard grounding is good for you. I don't know, I just never really want to do it because I just don't want to just walk around doing nothing. I guess I always like to do 2 things at one time. So I've been listening to Terry Savoy while I'm doing this, and I put this on a garbage bag so that once I do one of these, then I can just take the garbage bag up and pour the second one in. I'll show you in a second. Here's last year's celebrity tomato. Last year I was out of town too much, so all of my plants, like almost none of them, like grew. And I did have my basil and I did have a little bit of cilantro, but I didn't use the basil enough. But I do like making caprese salad, which is amazing. Okay, watch this. Okay, hopefully it works this time. It's worked pretty much every other time, but hey, one of these smelled pretty bad. So basically, last year, I just did a bunch of compost out of eggshells and vegetables and just all my scraps that were compostable or whatever. And then we put that in with the soil and then manure over here. And we put layers. This year it's all going to be combined because I don't know. Nothing grew last year anyways, so it's another tuna. I'm actually going to hopefully put all this stuff on the ground down there. But I just needed to do this today. Sometimes the timing of doing stuff is not exactly like I'm doing a bunch of laundry inside and getting rid of things, and I'm not done with that project, but it was like I just had to get outside while there was still daylight because it was just getting overwhelming. And this sat out, and I was looking for a tap dance board. It's no longer being made. Searching the internet. Isn't that sad when you just can't find something? Anyways, I'm excited about gardening this year, and maybe I'll be in town more. It was like the hottest summer, so like most people's gardens died, so that's not good. But it was a valiant effort, and I still have all the soil, so I hope the soil is good. The other thing I want is a rainwater collection system, because I really don't want to be putting dirty city water in my wonderful plants. Aww. What a wonderful day. It's so nice outside. Okay, so, well no, I just have a few more. I have like little, I'm going to plant some flowers, maybe some peonies. I might wait on the peonies until I have a better thing for it, but there we go. Get yourself some pots and have some fun. It's like a very long growth process learning how to garden and how to do it right. You do raised beds, you don't even have to dig down to the ground. If you have a bunch of like rocky soil, just put it right on top of it. So, all right, God bless, have fun, bye.